Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, we'll be discussing about the COVID 19 questions related to all important examination questions. Among them, maximum questions have been discussed from various sources. I want you guys to go through whatever has been given in this slides, and you may get one question out of it. So, please go through whatever the slides have been given in this video. Let us start with this initial. Maiden case identified of novel coronavirus, that is COVID 19. In which place? First case we have seen in Wuhan city, which is located in China. As you can see to the right side, how exactly in the place that is Hubei province. In the case of that province, name is Hubei, Hubei. So, which is there in China. There we have found 1,000 cases initially. This coronavirus, initially it has been called as SARS-CoV-2. Please remember, the name of the coronavirus before to that they used to call as SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, CoV-2. First case outside the China had been found in Thailand. So after the China, the first case in abroad you have found, and this has been reported in Thailand. If it comes to World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as epidemic. So this is what exactly the term epidemic, you go through dictionary what exactly it deals. So it's a worldwide spread disease. This has been declared by the World Health Organization. Normally whenever you have the COVID-19, if you want to confirm whether you have the COVID-19 or not, you have to undergo through RT-PCR. What exactly RT-PCR stands? That is reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. Please remember whatever has been given. You will be asked this abbreviation also. And what exactly the full form of COVID-19? That is COVID-19 stands Coronavirus Disease 2019. This is what exactly you have to remember. When it comes to the type of virus in corona, that is, as you can see, single stranded RNA virus you can see in it. So this is what exactly we found, that is single stranded RNA virus. COVID-19 is transmitted by what? That is by the water droplets. Whenever you sneeze, whenever you cough, you will find these kind of water droplets, and if you start sneezing or coughing in the public, then you may be kicked. Next, we have the minimum distance to be maintained from person coughing. That has to be 3 feet. That distance has to be maintained, which the droplets will be vanished. Here we have maiden death in USA due to the corona. We have seen in America first death case in Washington. Next, we have public, that is Janata curfew. It imposed in India due to the coronavirus on 22nd March 2020. The government of India had initiated Janata curfew. The feature WhatsApp has launched India to make awareness of coronavirus, that is WhatsApp chat box. Here we have in this chat bot, what happens is whatever you have doubts regarding this coronavirus, you can ask in that, and you can take the help desk. Whatever the number has been given, you can directly do that WhatsApp chat. When it comes to the first state to declare coronavirus as an epidemic in India, that is Haryana. As you can see, India's first coronavirus death, which have occurred in the state of Karnataka. Indian government launches the app of a COVID-19 tracker app, that is Arogya Setu app. Also, the alert will be sent, even the location wherever you are moving, the proximity and the way you move from one place to other place, everything be tracked by the Arogya Setu app. Next we have SARC. It is not SARC, it is SARS. SARS. SARS virus was spread in 2002 in the place of Saudi Arabia. We found that virus. And we have common cold, which is a viral disease. Please remember, common cold is a viral disease. And the COVID-19 that affect the body of the human that is heart. Initially, it affects your heart and not only to the lungs, it even ends to various places that may damage your kidney, intestine, as well as blood vessels also. But initially, it directly affects your respiratory illness. Next, we have the feature that Facebook has launched in India to make awareness of coronavirus, that is Corona Information Center. It had been launched by the Facebook. Normally, the age group of this coronavirus, that can be for any age group, this may occur. But how many spread, different type of spreads we have? 19 types. First country mostly affected by COVID-19. Initially, China have been affected with the COVID-19, but later it has spread to various nations. The word coronavirus is originated from which place? The word it is originated from Latin word. The structure of the coronavirus look like when viewed with a microscope, that looks like crown structure. The recovery time for the coronavirus disease is 3 to 6 weeks. You will find this recovery time. Now we have coronavirus. It is the first identified in 1960. As you can see here, first look of coronavirus discovered during the mid 1960s by the scientist named as June Almeida. Please remember, guy, you may be asked who was the first scientist that discovered during 1960s. That is June Almeida. The virus responsible for the coronavirus, as I told, SARS-CoV-2. The medicine, as India exported recently to America after this pandemic situation, that medicine is malarial drug hydroxychloroquine. It has been transported to America in a bulk amount. We have total, the type of coronavirus are 7. The first coronavirus, as I had told already, in Karnataka. On the date 11th of March, World Health Organization recognized novel coronavirus as a pandemic. Here you can see how exactly the coronavirus through bats, through rats. So whatever we have SARS-CoV-2, that is through bat, and we don't know from where it is spreading. So this is what exactly we have: various viruses. Ebola virus from the bats, and we have swine flu from the pigs. So from different animals and species, we have this kind of virus. First case identified in India in Kerala state, but the death, it has been seen in Karnataka. Coronavirus outbreak was originated in the province of China. As I had told, that province name is Hubei. Coronavirus are a large family of virus and belong to, that is, nidovirus family. So they may ask you a question, what exactly it belongs to which family? That is nidovirus family. When it comes to the symptoms of coronavirus, that can be seen between 2 and 14 days. Please remember, whatever the coronavirus, that can be seen between 2 days to 14 days. In this, we may find these symptoms, and the most affected country because of this coronavirus is America. The percentage of alcohol, it has to be in sanitizer, with which you can eradicate the germs, and the coronavirus can be killed. It should be more than 60% of alcohol has to be there. I can see the red color is alcohol and 40% is water. If you put petrol in the water, the petrol will be lighter and that will be floated over top of the water. What is the reason? Because of adhesive nature. Because the petrol is lighter, it floats. The water is heavier, that is down. Here, whatever the alcohol and water, that content is cohesive nature, so they mix together, and that can be used in your hands. And next we have the origin of novel coronavirus, that is from the bats, as I had told. And the medical mask, whatever we use that mask in order to avoid that infection from the coronavirus, that is N95 respirators, N95 masks. Normally the healthcare workers using themselves from the coronavirus protection, as you can see to the right side, they are known as PPE kits. I want you guys to comment me in the section what exactly the abbreviation of PPE. Next we have the disease that can be transmitted to humans from animals, that is zoonotic. So this is what exactly from animals it is, whatever the disease spreaded. They are known as zoonotics. Coronavirus got its name because of its crown-like projection. After showing symptoms, he was told to self-isolation for the period of 14 days. He will be in that. Next, we have the state to implement lockdown against COVID-19. Initially, the lockdown had been implemented in Rajasthan, and they also the first one to wear the mask. And the first case regarded the case of COVID-19 was found outside the China that I had told in Thailand. As you can see from the beginning, how it had been processed. World Health Organization about several pneumonic diseases have been alerted, identified the virus on Jan 7th, and first case outside the China, that is Thailand. Death toll climbed up to 13 lakh something, and it has various stages it has been seen. When it comes to the coronavirus vaccine, we know that Sputnik V, that is made by Russia in Moscow. That company is R Pharma. R Pharm. Next in India we have Covaxin. This Covaxin had been prepared by Bharat Biotech, and we have the Covishield. It's a Serum Institute of SII, Serum Institute of India, along with the AstraZeneca company. These vaccines have been prepared. You have to remember Sputnik from Russia and Britain we have already discussed in a previous video, and we have now the Covaxin, that is Bharat Biotech had been made. Covishield has been made by AstraZeneca with the help of Serum Institute of India. So these are the few questions, and among them the Sputnik is the strongest, and less is Covaxin, so Covishield, and then followed by Covaxin. So strongest is Sputnik, in the middle Covishield, and then followed by Covaxin. So these are the few important questions I can suggest you. I hope this video will help you a lot. I want you guys to share it to your friends and have a look in playlist where you can find more than 1500 plus videos for all competitive examinations. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.